Hey, howdy, howdy, howdy. Hey, we got some engine parts to paint. Last video we did that, the engine block and transmission. This video we're going to paint all these engine parts that needs painted. Intake, valve covers, heads, all that. Fan belts, alternator, and might as well get all the engine parts done. The timing cover and water pump and the manifold pipes. So I got all the parts laid out we're going to paint. Here's the valve covers, the timing cover right there, the heads, the intake, pulleys, fans. There's the fan. I believe that's it on that one. And for some reason they chromed the oil pan, which a stock, it's black. You would only put a chrome one if you bought it off the shelf and customized it, but this is a stock Mustang. I don't think it had a chrome oil pan, so we're gonna fix that problem and paint it black. So let me get paint ready. We'll be back. Okie dokie. First thing we're going to paint the valve covers, and they are to be gold right there. I got it ready to go, so let's get that done. Let's see what it looks like. Get over here in front of the camera. Ooh, that's a pretty gold. Get in there where them screws or bolts are. More paint. Covered nicely. It can be a little sloppy on the tree because we're not holding it. Smooth it out. That looks pretty good. Now on to the next one. Yeah, that's looking good. This Tamiya paint, I think I'm saying it right, Tamiya, seems to smooth out too as it dries really well. Alrighty, those are painted. They look good, I think. Yeah. On to the next one. Next, we're going to paint the distributor cap right there. They call for it to be black, but the engine's black. You really ain't going to see it very well, so I'm going to paint it blue because distributor caps did come in blue. So let's get this painted. Just so it'll stick out a little more, I think. Not really worried about painting the bottom. And I think I need to go turn my generator on. I think I just ran my batteries down. Make sure I get that side right there. But yeah, not really worried about painting the bottom. I hope I caught that on camera. I got a little into painting that. Yep, there's the distributor all painted up. Alright, I'll be back. Get the next one ready. Go turn my generator on. Alrighty, this time we're going to paint the manifold pipes, and they are going to be a metallic gray. So let's get them done. I went ahead and trimmed off. These had quite a bit of flashing on them. Went ahead and trimmed that off real quick. Gotta get real crazy up by that motor. That was actually too much paint for up there because not going to see it anyway. I just wanted to get the insides of them. Those, that's, hey, need a bubble there. Come back to that. There we go. Comparing the inside of what you probably can see. I just painted the whole inside, so there. These are painted. Pretty good. Alright, we need to paint this water pump and timing cover real quick. That's the only piece on this little tree that gets painted. And this is gloss black. It's covering really good. There it is. We'll paint it up. Now, this one needs the pulleys. And they need to dry. So we can come back and do the belt on, just need to do a little bit back here. That's it. Right there. The belts are flat black, so we'll come back and do them. Now let's do the heads. I can get enough paint on there. There we go. Really just the sides, the front and the back really needs painted on them because the intake and the valve covers cover the top. But just in case, we'll hit it with, so we don't leave no white lines. And those are painted. Oh, we might as well do the fan. It's on this tree. More black paint. The tree's a little shaky on that side. A little bouncy. And paint the back side of the fan blades because you'll probably see those, but you won't see the center of the fan. And the intake, I think, is it for this tree, which is up here. Don't really need to do the center, you're not going to see it. And that is all painted. Alrighty, there that is. Okie dokie, we'll be back. Okay, the last thing we got to do is paint the belts. And they are just regular black. Almost had too much. So all we got to do there. Up around the top. Bottom, and do the back side in case. We got to do the bottom, there. They are painted. Belts are done. There we go. Alright, next video, we'll put them on the engine. Thanks for watching. Later.